ever wondered how crucial the study of climate change and hydrology is for our planet's future? As we navigate the 21st century, there's an increasing recognition of how intimately our lives are tied to the health of our environment. The study of climate change and hydrology, two seemingly complex disciplines, play a significant role in shaping our understanding of these intricate relationships. Climate change, a hot topic in recent years, is more than just a buzzword. It's a real, tangible shift in global weather patterns that's causing sea levels to rise, glaciers to melt, and extreme weather events to become more frequent. The implications are far-reaching, affecting everything from food production to public health and even the very survival of certain species. On the other hand, hydrology, the science of water, may sound less familiar, but it's equally important. It's the key to understanding how water circulates around our planet, from the clouds in the sky to the rivers flowing into the ocean. It's about understanding the quantity and quality of our water resources, the lifeblood of all living organisms. Now, imagine combining these two disciplines. The study of climate change and hydrology together can provide us with crucial insights into how our planet is changing and what we can do to mitigate these changes. For instance, understanding how climate change affects water cycles can help us better manage our water resources, ensuring there's enough clean water for everyone. It can also help us predict and prepare for the impacts of extreme weather events, such as floods and droughts, saving lives and protecting livelihoods. This is why the field of climate change and hydrology is so vital. It's about more than just scientific curiosity. It's about equipping ourselves with the knowledge and tools to create a sustainable future, a future where humans and nature can thrive together. So, if you're passionate about making a difference, why not consider a PhD scholarship in these fields? So you've decided to take the plunge. Now what? Let's dive into the PhD scholarships available in 2024. From the wide array of scholarships, let's start with the most common one, the merit-based scholarships. These are awarded to students who have shown exceptional talent in their field of study. In our case, climate change and hydrology. The beauty of these scholarships is that they are not restricted by financial need. Your academic prowess is your ticket. Next, we have the need-based scholarships. These are designed to help students who may not have the financial means to pursue their studies. It's your passion for the subject and your commitment to making a difference that counts here. Our third type is the project-based scholarships. These are a bit special. They're often tied to a specific research project, and you, as a PhD candidate, will be working on that project as part of your studies. So, if you've got a particular area of interest, this could be a golden opportunity to delve deeper. Up next, we have the institutional scholarships. These are awarded by the universities themselves, and each university has its own set of criteria. It's a great way to lessen the financial burden and focus on what you love. Research. Lastly, there are international scholarships. These are perfect for those of you who dream of studying abroad. They usually cover tuition, living expenses, and sometimes even travel costs. It's a fantastic way to experience a new culture while studying something you're passionate about. Now, let's talk benefits. Apart from the obvious financial relief, these scholarships offer a wealth of opportunities. They can open doors to networking events, internships, and collaborations that can significantly enrich your academic journey. Plus, they can be a great boost to your CV. With so many opportunities available, it's just a matter of finding the right fit for you. Now that you are aware of the scholarships, you might be wondering, how do I apply? Let's dive into the step-by-step process of applying for a PhD scholarship. Step 1 is to check the eligibility criteria. This is a fundamental step that you shouldn't overlook. Each scholarship has a set of requirements that applicants must meet. These may include academic qualifications, language proficiency, or even specific research interests. Make sure you fit the bill before you proceed. Step 2 involves filling out the application form. This may seem straightforward, but it needs your utmost attention. Be meticulous when filling out your personal information, academic history, and research interests. Ensure that everything is accurate and up to date. Remember, this form is your first impression with the scholarship committee. Moving on to step 3, gather all the required documents. This typically includes your transcripts, diplomas, language proficiency certificates, and letters of recommendation. Make sure all your documents are in order, and if any need to be translated, get that done by a certified translator. Step 4 is crucial. Writing a research proposal. This is your chance to showcase your passion and your potential as a researcher. Start by identifying a problem in the field of climate change and hydrology. Then propose a novel approach to tackle it. Be sure to highlight the significance of your research and its potential impact. But remember, avoid jargon and keep it clear and concise. Step 5. Prepare for the interview. If your application is shortlisted, you'll be invited for an interview. This is your opportunity to further demonstrate your passion and commitment to your research. Brush up on your subject matter, anticipate questions, and practice your responses. Confidence is key, but so is humility. Show them you're eager to learn and grow. Finally, step 6, submit your application. Double-check everything, make sure nothing is overlooked, and hit that submit button. Then, it's a waiting game. Be patient and stay positive. Now, an important note, every PhD scholarship has its own specific requirements and application process. This guide provides a general overview, but always refer to the specific guidelines provided by the scholarship you're applying to. Let's recap. Check the eligibility criteria, fill out the application form, gather your documents, write an outstanding research proposal, prepare for the interview, and submit your application. It may seem like a daunting process, but remember, it's a journey. Each step brings you closer to your dream of pursuing a PhD in the crucial field of climate change and hydrology. Remember, preparation is key when it comes to applying for a PhD scholarship. So take your time, do your research, and put your best foot forward. Good luck, future scholars! Applying for a PhD scholarship can be a daunting process, but beware of these common pitfalls. One of the most prevalent mistakes applicants make is not doing their homework. It's not just about knowing what the scholarship entails. It's also about understanding the field of study, in this case, climate change and hydrology. So, immerse yourself in the knowledge pool, become familiar with the latest research trends, understand the practical implications, and align your research proposal accordingly. Next, we have the procrastination demon. Remember, good things take time, and so does a well-crafted application. Starting early gives you ample opportunity to refine your application, gather all necessary documents, and most importantly, proofread. Don't let the deadline pressure lead to an application filled with typos and errors, as that can be a fast track to the rejection pile. Speaking of proofreading, let's talk about the cut and paste catastrophe. Personalization is key in your application. Scholarship committees can smell a generic, one-size-fits-all application from a mile away. Tailor each application to the specific scholarship, highlighting how your research aligns with their objectives. Then there's the underestimation trap. Many applicants underestimate the importance of non-academic achievements. While academic excellence is crucial, don't forget to highlight your soft skills, leadership roles, and community involvement. These aspects can make your application stand out, showing you as a well-rounded candidate. And finally, the lone wolf syndrome. This occurs when applicants try to do everything themselves. Seek feedback from others, be it professors, peers, or past scholarship recipients. Their insights can provide invaluable perspective and help you polish your application. And let's not forget the negativity nuisance. Rejections are part of the process, but don't let them dishearten you. Use them as stepping stones, learn from your mistakes, and keep refining your application. Avoiding these mistakes can increase your chances of securing your desired scholarship. So, gear up, stay focused, and let's make that scholarship yours. So, we've covered a lot of ground today. Let's quickly recap. We delved into the significance of climate change and hydrology studies, emphasizing its pivotal role in shaping a sustainable future. Then, we explored various PhD scholarships available in 2024, each offering a unique opportunity to dive deeper into this fascinating field. We walked through the application process, step by step, to ensure you're well-equipped to navigate this journey. From preparing a compelling application to acing the interview, we've got you covered. Lastly, we touched upon common mistakes that applicants often make, like missing deadlines or submitting incomplete applications. Avoiding these pitfalls can significantly improve your chances of nailing that coveted scholarship. This journey, while undoubtedly challenging, promises to be incredibly rewarding. As you stand on the cusp of making a substantial contribution to our understanding of climate change and hydrology, remember to stay curious, persistent, and resilient. Remember, the journey towards a PhD in climate change and hydrology is challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable. Best of luck with your applications.